Cooking with Big Matt. Here is my very tasty fruit salad, which is what I call it. I take some tomatoes, either the cherry tomatoes, or if I do not have those in stock, I'll cut up a regular tomato, place them on the bottom of the bowl first. Just evenly as so. Then if I have some, I usually keep the red grapes in stock at home. I'll grab a few of those, place those next in the middle or along with the tomatoes. A few of those. Then I'll go ahead with my lettuce. It's a bag of shredded iceberg lettuce, and spread that around on top of the tomatoes and the grapes, just like so. And then if I have watermelon slices in it, I'll add the watermelon, but I was out of those. Then it's time for my dressing. Sometimes I go a little bit overboard with my dressing. I like the French dressing. Just kind of spread it around on the top, as so, and it is ready to eat. Cooking with Big Matt. Here is my fresh fruit salad. Enjoy.